Welcome to AI Intuition Pro. Discover the power of Leonardo AI, the ultimate tool for transforming your creative visions into reality. With advanced image generation and editing capabilities, Leonardo AI offers unparalleled precision and flexibility, making it the perfect companion for artists, designers, and innovators. Whether you're creating stunning visuals or refining intricate details, this AI-driven platform saves time while enhancing creativity. Experience seamless image manipulation and bring your ideas to life with ease. Unlock your full potential with Leonardo AI today. I will leave the link in the description below. Then you have to sign up. You can do that by coming right here and clicking on Create Account. Once you are done signing up, you will be brought here to the Leonardo AI dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find the featured guides for getting the most out of the platform, from creating your first design to mastering advanced tools, all listed right at the top to help you get started. Here are the user tools: the real-time canvas, real-time generator, motion, image creation, upscaler, canvas editor. And if we scroll down here, we see all the generations of the community. If you want to see the images you've made, just go to your personal feed. To check out all the cool images people have made with Leonardo AI, head over to the community feed. Here, you can grab any prompt, use images as inspiration for your own creations, or download them directly to your device. The best part? All public images are royalty-free and can be used commercially. For those who are curious about different AI styles, the fine-tuned model section has a variety of models to choose from, including those tuned for specific artistic styles. These models are either crafted by the Leonardo team or contributed by the community. You can even train your own models, but we won't dive into that for now. 3D texture generation, creating textures for 3D models. Let's jump into creating your own images. Once you go to the image creation tool, the workspace will change. At the top left, you'll notice Leonardo AI coins. You'll need these to generate images, and they reset daily. The free plan gives you 150 coins per day, so make them count. You can always upgrade for more coins. You can set how many images you want to create. The more you choose, the more coins it'll cost. I'll stick with 4 images for now. At the top, you'll see a prompt bar, and below and on the left are the features that will help you build your creation. Start by entering your prompt in the bar and click Generate. Easy, right? Prompt magic helps align images more closely with your prompt. For those on paid plans, you can also use features like Photoreal, which makes images look more realistic, or Alchemy, which helps boost overall quality. Public images is another option where you can choose whether to share your images with the community or keep them private, though this is only available on paid plans. You can also adjust the size and aspect ratio of the image, but be careful. Straying too far from default settings can affect the final quality. The guidance scale helps control how closely the AI sticks to your prompt. The higher it is, the less freedom the AI has to be creative. If you're trying to create repeating patterns, you can also enable tiling. Let's talk about writing good prompts. The more detail you provide, the better. Be clear about the subject, the medium, the style, and even things like color and lighting. Need some inspiration? Hit the dice icon and go to Improve Prompt for prompt suggestions. Or explore prompt generation for a range of prompts covering complex concepts, ready for you to copy and use as a foundation. The AI model you choose also plays a big role in setting the style of your image. For example, Absolute Reality is great for realistic results, while Dream Shaper gives your images a dreamy, colorful vibe. Stable Diffusion is a fundamental AI model, while 3D animation style is ideal for creating images that resemble a 3D animated film. Premium models are available in the Alchemy version, and custom models can be found by selecting other models provided by either the Leonardo team or the community. Once you're happy with your prompt and model choice, you can go to Add Elements to further customize things. Choose one or more elements and adjust their weights. Want to base your image on an existing one? Switch to Image Guidance and upload your reference. You can upload up to 4 images on paid plans. Adjust the strength setting to control how closely the result matches your original image. When uploading an image, ensure it aligns with your prompt content for the best results, such as sharing the same subject, background, or mood. The most important parameter for image generation is the strength setting. This parameter determines how closely the new image will resemble the original image. A higher strength value will ensure the new image closely matches the original, while a lower strength value allows for more creative freedom from the AI. After generating your images, you can preview and edit them. Click an image to zoom in or delete it, or you can download it as a JPG. On the right, you'll find options to upscale the image and enhance its resolution while preserving as much quality as possible. This includes the ability to enlarge the image up to 2K pixels wide with minimal quality loss. For more advanced tweaks, head to the AI canvas. We'll cover this section in the next video. Now that you know the basics, it's time to dive in and start creating. I'll leave the link in the description below. Just click on it, sign up, and you're all set to start exploring right away. In conclusion, Leonardo AI is not just a powerful tool for creating and editing images, but also a gateway to endless creative possibilities. With its flexible customization and advanced technology, it helps users bring their ideas to life quickly and efficiently. Leonardo AI simplifies the creative process, saving time while ensuring top-notch quality. Let Leonardo AI be your companion, elevating every project and idea with ease. Thank you for watching the entire video about Leonardo AI. I hope this information helps you easily create creative and impressive images. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the AI Tuition Pro channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.